So for our project, we did Discover Card, Chase Card, and MasterCard. We found the annual percentage rate of Discover Card to be 11.24% per year. Chase Card was 14.24% per year, and MasterCard was 7.75% per year.
First off, we used the Discover card to find the effective interest rate. And we used the compound interest formula of A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. And we plugged in 1,000 as our principal. And we used 1 plus 0.1124, which is the APR for the Discover card, over 365 because it is compounded daily, raised to the 365 times 1 over a year, and you get 1,118.94. And then we found the interest for the Discover card, which is I equals 1,118.94 minus 1,000 equals 118.94. And then we used I equals PRT to find the overall rate. So we did 118.94 equals 1,000R. Divide by 1,000, and you get 0.1189 or 11.89%.
So like we did for Discover Card effective interest rate, we also did for the Chase Card effective interest rate. So with a purchase of $1,000, we plugged in the equation for compound interest formula, which is the principal times 1 plus the rate over the times compounded per year to the power of the times compounded per year times the number of years. And we got that equal to 1,153.006. To find the interest, we did that number minus 1,000, which came out to be 153.006. So to find the PRT stuff, we did 153.006 equals 1,000R. We solved algebraically to isolate R by itself, and we got 0.153, also known as 15.3%.
And finally, our third and final card is the MasterCard, and we found the effective interest rate for it. So we plugged in the formula again of A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. Plugged in 1,000 as our principal times 1 plus 0.0775 as our rate over 365 times a year, raised to the 365 times a year times 1 year. And that gave us 1,080.57. And then we found the interest for this and did I equals 1,080.57 minus 1,000. And we got I equals 80.57. Then we plugged all these numbers in I equals PRT to get 80.57 equals 1,000R. Divided by 1,000, and we got R equals 0.0805 or 8.05%.
Go.
So what is the amount of time needed to pay off each one? So with a purchase of $1,000 and a minimum of payment of $25 a month, with a Discover card of a rate of 11.89%, this would take 84 months or 7 years to pay off. With the Chase card, with a rate of 15.3%, this would take 97 months or 8 years to pay off. And for the third and final card, the MasterCard, with a rate of 8.05%, this would take 74 months or 6 years to pay off.
The most beneficial is, drum roll please, it's MasterCard. It has a lower rate, and you can definitely pay it off more quickly. The least beneficial one is, drum roll please, it's Chase. It has the highest rate, and it takes the longest to pay off.